Now let's kick the new one off in style with a Kim-tastic dinner, of course, but I want to be at the party. So this menu will not only wow your guests, but it will keep you out of the kitchen and in the party groove. Phyllo cups, paper-thin sheets of pastry slathered in butter and baked, and then stuffed with decadent crab salad and topped with ooh la la caviar. How's that for fireworks? Pew, 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 pew. So, for recipes like these, you do not need to buy the legs. Canned or frozen lump meat is perfect. Let the chopping begin. Maestro, dicing music, please.
I don't wanna wait, ain't got nothing to lose. Everything feels new whenever I'm with you. Whenever I'm with you.
This menu is designed to be eating while standing up with a glass in your hand, engaging in she New Year's Eve conversation, do some dancing, maybe meeting Mr. Right. Where have you been all my life? Wait, you still live with your mother? Dinner time, assemble these last minute because there's nothing worse than soggy Phyllo cups, am I right? Crab salad. Whoop. He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. He loves me not. Oh, who are we kidding? They all love me. Or not. Oh. Crunchy Phyllo pastry, that creamy, decadent crab salad, the little pops of caviar.